Hey guys, NathanMan1234 is here. Just, excuse me. Just telling you guys, I will be buying my last and final Lego. Just last Lego tonight. And all my crap is moved to the basement. Here's some more stuff. So tomorrow will be my last Lego video. So, yeah. So, yeah, because I have better stuff to do. I'm going into high school. Yeah, good stuff I got. Yeah. Stuff like that. And excuse me. And I'm currently not doing anything really. Not really doing anything. So, shut up, dude. That was my, brother being silly. As normal. He's being a little silly boy. But yeah, guys.
Turn off the guest account.
Yeah, shut up, you man. I don't care about.
I did.
But that's my brother just being a little annoying. This is gonna. Well, see you guys. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Bye.